Hello guys and welcome back on my channel. In this episode I will be fixing the Ducati SuperSport. So I want to start the assembly process. Everything is painted as you can saw on the previous episode. I prepared the fuel tank. So the fuel tank is ready. I cleaned the entire fuel tank. Also I was doing some job of the camera and I buffed the entire fuel tank. So it's ready for install. There is a fresh fuel. Hope the motorcycle will start. So now I will install the fuel tank. Guys, and the bike is ready for the first launch. So let's do this.
So as you can see guys, that's why the motorcycle doesn't start.
Fuel pump is working. Let's do the pressure in the entire fuel system and okay, so I am very happy the motorcycle starts. Fresh fuel. I was able to clean the entire fuel system, injectors, and the motorcycle starts. I am happy. So what's the plan now? I will install the front fairing. I will assemble the entire fuel tank. Okay guys, so the fuel tank is screw. Everything is holding very nice. It's secured very nice. Now I will try to fix those turn signals. Okay, one is secured. Now I have to do same thing with this guy. The final pushes. Okay guys, this bad boy is installed. Bing bing bing. Of the camera I changed the footrest and the gear selector. Also I changed the entire steering, left steering bar. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know the English name, but I think this is a left steering bar. Write me in the comment how do you call it this in English. Okay guys, so now I will put the front fairing fender. Here is one clip, and this clip should go to this rubber, and two bolts, one on the each side. Like I mentioned, one bolt is located here, and on the other side is in the same spot bolt. Screw it, and the front fairing will be secured. Okay guys, and don't forget to put the turn signal wire because here you have space here, so put it here and here. Okie dokie. And same story on this side. Okay, I have the wire. Everything is prepared. Everything is prepared for installing the mirrors. This is the mechanism to unlocking rear seat. You have to connect the cable and don't forget to connect this cable. Okay. I have to find, I will show you that kind of rubber thing, because the firing, I need to press firing on this place. Give me a second, I need to find it. Honestly, the original one I lost, but I have something similar. It should fit. Don't tell anyone. So now I will install the kind of rubber pieces. Those rubber pieces are between mirror and firing, and this holds the wire for the mirror. Okay. Now I have to do the second one. It's time for windshield. So guys, I didn't notice the windshield is damaged here, but overall this windshield is black, not transparent, so I don't know. I should replace this windshield. We will see. The perfect condition, this windshield should be replaced. I will screw this radiator's cover. Okay, so I managed to put the radiator cover. Now I will screw 3 bolts and that's it. So guys, now I will screw mirrors and then I can put right firing and the motorcycle will be almost done. So time to do this. So guys, on the right side there's only the right firing left. So now I will put it on the motorcycle and then I will put left side. Okay guys, so I received this firing finally, so now I can put it on the rear. Of course I painted this firing because it was scratched, and now it's time for the mounting process. It's very simple. Okay guys, so now I will screw bolts and then I will put the left firing and basically the Ducati will be ready. Okay guys, so the firing is installed. Now I will screw every bolt. I don't want to, showing you this process. Sit and the bike is ready. Woohoo! Alrighty guys, another project done. So it's time to do some small break because I have different things to do, and I want to show you now this motorcycle. Everything came out very nice. As you can see, this side looking very nice. I need to put stickers on the fuel tank and 2 stickers on the firings, so I will do this off the camera, but overall this project is finished. So guys, thank you for watching and see you all to the next time. Bye. Phew.